Hi, I'm Anthony. Today we're going to be discussing low voltage landscape lighting, and with a little maintenance you can have a perfect system throughout the year. Over the seasons, dirt, leaves, pine needles, and other debris can cause lights to become dim. Turn off the power supply and wipe off dust, dirt, leaves, or any other debris. Check lighting fixtures to make sure they're not blocked by new plant growth. You may also want to make sure certain fixtures haven't shifted or moved. One of the best ways to maintain your outdoor lighting system is to use timers. This will extend the life of your lamps and minimize light pollution. Here are some ways to help identify common lighting issues. If all of your lights are off, this could be due to the circuit breaker needing to be reset, the transformer could be unplugged, or the GFCI could be tripped. If a section of lights are off, there's most likely a cut or damaged wire underground, or a lamp could be burnt out. For more advanced systems like Luxor, the strength of your Wi-Fi will affect connectivity. You may need a Wi-Fi extender or repeater. So as you can see, with a little maintenance, you can keep your low voltage lighting system operating for years.